Welcome to 38ThornTree Street in Byhalia, Mississippi, a community positioned for progress. This stunning 1,618 square foot new construction is priced to move at $288,990. Step to the front door into a light-filled interior. Dark wood-style flooring leads you past spacious secondary bedrooms and a sleek guest bath into the heart of the home. The open-concept living area flows seamlessly into a gourmet kitchen, complete with premium granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Retreat to your primary suite, where luxury meets utility. You'll love the dual vanity bathroom and the massive walk-in closet with built-in shelving. Every detail here is designed for modern comfort. Finally, enjoy quiet evenings on your covered back porch. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Marshall County's future. Schedule your private tour of this Byhalia gem today.